Hello guys, this is Frequency in the Fixture Channel, and here I'm not gonna call this the part two of the previous video I made. I'm just gonna call it another video, alright? So this is like this was the trade we took beforehand, and this was where the trade was taken at. You can see that blue line, that was where we took the trade at, and the green area was where we stopped it at. Yes, and lo and behold, the market did some ranges and then ended up hitting the TP target in at about 6 hours from when we left it at. It's 6 hours, and 6 hours is not a long time enough for us to wait to making $21 if we were really serious on this, and risking another $21 to making another one. So like this is where the trade was taken from, and then this was where we anticipated this profit to be at 2021. I think it was just at this around this area. This was our take profit, and the market did went up there. According to my analysis, I was correct, but according to the scalping psychology I have, I wasn't correct. So what does that suggest? Sometimes you need to give market space and time to run itself, okay? You need to give time, space, and time to run itself. Don't always try to smuggle trades, don't always try to trade and risk little amount of money. People who come into this market come with great anticipation to making a lot of money, and they are not having a lot of funds to risk. Mindless of what people tell you that with just $10, $20, you can trade the market. There's a lot of mind cycle, you're gonna be going through to doing that. If you're gonna be growing a $10 account, there's a lot of mind stress you need to go through to get that done, right? So you are going to be doing a lot of exercises to grow a $10 account. I personally managed $10 accounts in the past, and got doubled, tripled, or even times 200, turning it into 2000 USD, and that was one of my big achievements in the past. There's a video on that, you can check it in my video list and you'll see that one there. So for people who want to make quick money, the true fact is you cannot make quick money in this market. There is no scheme in the world that advises that you make quick money. There is no scheme that 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 works, for quick money. What is quick money, by the way? Quick money is quick investment, quick profit. You put in your money now, you want a profit instantly. How does that even work? Does that exist? That's a question you ask yourself. And the financial market here is not telling you to trade with. The market here is not telling you to trade with all you have and then try to want to make all the profits in a go. Okay, so you need to open up your trade. You need to give space to the market to run. You need to allow the market to run with space and time to get what it wants to achieve for you. Just like the example we have given here, unless you are risking a lot of money. If you're risking a lot of money, then you know that when you are trading instantly, you are aiming for a quick profit, and because your capital is huge, your amount of profit is going to be also huge. When you're making quick profits, you're investing a lot of money and then you're also risking a lot of money. That is the side effect of trading. Real that's the effect of trading for quick profits. What am I doing here now? I'm showing you that the signal could have won if I had opened this chart. And then let me look at the negative side of this, where the trade went to and how much loss it dived into before reversing to profit. So this is like 164 points. This is 164 points, and that's like $16. $16 loss. Okay, and our stop loss would have been, our stop loss was never hit, right? Because our stop loss would definitely be in 1:1 to whatsoever we're going to be anticipating for a take profit. So our stop loss can be $21.4 and our profits also $21.4, and that is like a 1:1. Now, of course, I do not know if this particular asset is tradable on the multiplier indices, such that I can say because of the flexibility of this market movement, I'll just go ahead and use the multiplier stake rewarder for trade staking, because I have a small capital. If you have a very tiny capital, the very best option is to trade in multiplier and trading with good sense realm. You want to trade multiplier like you're sensible, not like you're a drunkard, okay? Because in the multiplier, the 0.01 you see here that equals all the losses you have here is going to be a fraction of what you'll be risking there. For instance, if your profit here is $2 per trade, if your profit here is $22, your profit there can be $2. All right, multiplied by the multiplication times you're using, and I'll just go over to the multiplier space so you see what I'm talking about. So in a minute I'll be there. So here you can see I'm now on deriv.com, and I'll be trading with my options here. That's 70 plus assets to choose from, and I'll just click on trade now, and then I'm gonna be redirected to this point. So I've been with Deriv for a long time now. So okay, you can see my account here is 0.000, and that's not a problem. I'll just go to options. I'll be using a demo for this one. I'm going to options. I'm sorry, cancel that. So I'm using the demo account for this one, and what am I going to do here? This is rise and fall. I'm just going to change this to multiplier, so you can see. Let me just check if this is available on multiplier. The pair I told you about, right? If we have it on multiplier, we're going to trade it. So this is the multiplier, and these are all the assets that they are here. So we're trying to see if we have that PIR. Guys, we don't have it here. That's kind of break. That's kind of like a big deal for us. Because I really wanted to trade the assets right here, because I can afford it there. But if not, that we don't have it there, there's other options we can choose from. There are other options we can choose from. We can choose this um, step index, step 400 index, and just use it as our trading, instrument. So we want to trade. Let's say I wanted to trade. Okay, let's say I'm trading with this $13,000 you see on the screen right now. It's a demo account, right? As you can see, it is a demo account. And what am I doing? Let me just graph out something here. I just want to spot out right now. Okay, we're trading with this $32. Let's say all I have is $32 to trade, and then I want to you should take out this 13K from your mind. So that's not in the topic, because not everybody has $13,000 to trade with. So for those people who are trading with little accounts, this video is for you. And this is step 400 index, and you can see it is moving. This is 4-hour time frame. Let's take it to the 1 day. Let's just do an analysis from this area and see what we can do with this pair right now. So this is the day one, and I'm zooming out. So I'm zooming out, zooming out, I'm zooming out, I'm zooming out, I'm zooming out, I'm zooming out. I just zoomed out to the max, right? So I think this pair is going to be going downward overall. So because I want to be patient and I want to have all the patience in the world, I'm going to risk at least something as huge as I would have risked in that pair, because I told you, if you see a choppy chart, it's usually not the best pair to trade. But what are we going to do since we don't have options? If there is a choppy chart, it also can be analyzed and can be traded, since Elliott Wave can work everywhere. Since I also teach Elliott Wave, we can use Elliott Wave for this one too. So you can see the choppy chart is just going downward and downward and downward. You can see it's going downward all through the time, and this is like the trend line I'm drawing on it to show you how it is moving around. Okay, so this is the current area where it stopped at, and let me clean up that. So let me use this multiplier, and let me use the 500. Let me just use 200. Okay, if you're using a small account like $32, you're advised to using the smallest multiplier, because you're going to be here for a lot of time, a lot of days. It's going to be like a 1 month challenge for you to grow in an account. So anything you want me to do in this channel that's going to elevate your trading ability, you need to just let me know in the comment section. I haven't seen anybody actually commented lately. Nobody's commenting on my channel. I don't know if it's YouTube that is restricting people who's supposed to be commenting, but people are not commenting, and I'm finding issues with that. So people ought to be commenting with my trades to help me understanding what they want me to do, because sometimes motivation comes from subscribers who tell me what they want to learn and achieve in this market. So this is this is the market, and what am I going to be trading here? I'm going to be selling. I think it's going down, so let's sell. Let's take 200. Let's take 2 USD. So out of $30, $2 has been staked. And how much is my profit here? My risk management. I'll be asked to what amount of money I want to risk. I'll be risking $2. Let's say I want to risking $2. And this is what you should do too, guys. Risk $2 to make $2. Boom. That's my advice. Use the smallest multiplier. This is the least 200 times 200. And do this often, you're going to be winning. Yeah, the trend has been spotted and then the analysis has been taken. So we don't know. Let me show you where this is going to be happening at. There's going to be like when we go to positions, there's something I want you to do. If you want to see where the exact spot where your positions are at, you just need to click on this. When you open it, just click on the trade. So this is where you see where your stop loss is at in numerical format. So your stop out is 84.21.1, and that is where the market will get to stop you at the $2. And if it goes, where's the take profit? Oh, I feel bad. There's no take profit here. Oh, take profit not set. Why did you say I didn't set take profit? But I said take profit. Guys, you also missed that take profit, right? Take profit. Where's the take profit? 2. Okay. Take profit is $2. Alright, you see that, right? Stop loss is also $2. 1, 2. Yeah, you see me do that right now. So good. So my stop loss is 84.21.1. So let me take you to the MT5 and show you that this thing is going to be working well there. Like the exact spots we are choosing for stop loss and take profit, we're going to show you in the MT5 in real time with the graphical momentum so you see it properly. So let me take you there. 84.21. So yes guys, this is it. This is the step 400 index, and this is the MT5 chart here, and we've made the analysis, and now we are here to show you the graph we are drawing on it. So this are like the outcome, the outputs of the different inputs of where this thing is coming from. So you can see 833.2 is the take profit where we're going to be taking profits from, and the 84.21.1 is the stop loss as it is on the chart there. So it's easier when you do it here, right? It helps you understand better how to get involved with what you're doing. So soon enough, this is gonna like eat our take profit. I mean, the last time the market got to that point from where it was just about 30 90 minutes. Let's just use this to calculate it, where the market started from and then went all the way to that point. So that's like took 1 hour, just 1 hour. So probably in 1 hour time, the market is going to get to our destination, either profits or loss. But our analysis will show win. That's all I know. So guys, what I'm going to be doing next is I'll upload this video and I'll come back and tell you the update of this video, how the trade went, and that is something I will surely do and update you guys. So thank you guys for watching. This is the Frequency in FX channel. If this is your first time in the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video to your friend and your family so they understand that we're doing stuff here. And then see you in my next video. What am I gonna do right now? I still want to invest a full margin here because I think this is gonna be a win. But I'm not putting money in the MT5 now because I don't have a lot of money to put in the step 400 index for now. Let's just see how it goes, and I'll come back for an update. See you guys in my next video. This is Frequency and FX channel. Bye.